Here at Love Ventures, we are proud to lead the way in investing in businesses with the potential for substantial and rapid growth.
Love Ventures was born in 2020 during the pandemic, and we've been investing over the course of the last 4 years. We're an early stage venture capital business, and we invest in great founders and businesses at the early stage in fintech, future of work, and consumer tech. Those are our 3 verticals of specialization.
Through a combination of expertise and industry knowledge, we enable investors to access the portfolios of high-growth UK companies.
We care about investing for profit and purpose. A lot of the companies that we invest into are B Corp companies. This is a label given to them through a rigorous due diligence process with around 1,500 companies in the UK that have achieved that label.
Disruptive innovation is at the core of everything we do, both in how we as an emerging manager operate and, crucially, how the startups that we back go about taking on massive incumbent organisations.
The companies that we back are investing for a sustainable future, and we're more than excited about investing in these areas. We have downstream investors that care about the future, that want to know about the investments they're making, and, for example, the transition to net zero. We want a sustainable future for us and for the planet.
Love Ventures thinks about sustainable investment in both how we and our portfolio companies operate and also in how we invest. Examples of the former would be us asking in our term sheets issued to prospective investments that they commit to a path of carbon neutrality. We also carry out regular portfolio reporting that includes key qualitative and quantitative metrics, for example, the number of female employees in a company. We're also a very accessible fund in that any founder living in any geography within the UK can pitch to us via our online pitch platform on our website.
So investors wanting to access smaller companies and invest in that way, they can do so in many different ways. Lots of people source those investments themselves, but there's reliefs available if you invest in schemes like enterprise investment schemes, seed enterprise investment schemes, and also VCTs, venture capital trusts.
There are many benefits or tax reliefs that the EIS scheme allows investors to take advantage of. The main one is income tax, so investors can claim up to 30% income tax relief, which can be carried back to the previous year. For example, for every £1 invested, an investor receives 30p back from HMRC, which is set against their income tax bill.
I would describe the team at Love Ventures as entrepreneurial, experienced, and empathetic. Those are really the key values that we think about here.
Love Ventures looks forward to a future of helping companies and investors achieve their true potential.